Guys, ito na yung niluto kong fruit, mixed fruits cake, muffin, yan guys. Anong sa inyo guys? Sarap yan guys. Pwede nang magano ng bakery, pang negosyo guys. Yan guys.